What's up, y'all? Ryan with the MXG channel again in AOMC. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update that some of the big names, some of the players in media and testing have been over in Spain for the last couple weeks riding the Stark Varg. You've probably seen some photos of the ride days over there. It's very cool. But a reminder, the embargo for the Stark Varg drops on June 10th. So that's the day you're going to see you're gonna see GoPro videos, ride videos, photos, reviews. We're gonna get all of our information that we've all been waiting for what, 8 or 10 months about the Stark Varg here in just a couple days. As far as bikes arriving, I know that dates have been backed up. I know maybe the first, they're still getting the dealer network and stuff in place, and I don't think the first bikes are going to arrive till maybe January now or something. But let's just keep in mind that that 3 or 4 month delay is a lot less than we've seen in other industries or from other manufacturers in the same industry, where there's a huge shortage of battery and electrical components right now, guys. So if Stark can start delivering us these bikes in January, I think people will be happy, people will be pumped. So I'm excited about what these things have to offer, and I'll be watching like a hawk come the morning of June 10th. So you guys let me know what you're thinking about the Stark Varg. I know a lot of you guys don't like e-bikes, but I know a lot of you guys are starting to come around to the idea of e-bikes, and how they can really maybe save our sport, if not propel the sport of motocross into a little more, a little closer to a mainstream sport. So really excited. Couple days, watch out for it. Stark Varg information coming up. Thanks so much, guys. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.